Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn and write a 10-line essay on my garden. First line, I have a garden. Second line, this garden is surrounding our house. Third line, our family member loves gardening. Fourth line, our garden is not so big. Fifth line, in our garden there are a lot of colorful flowers. Sixth line, some flowers are seasonal. Seventh line, here also some vegetables and fruit tree. Eighth line, I take care of my garden. Ninth line, I spend more time without getting bored in my garden. I spend more time without getting bored in my garden. 10th line, I love my garden. Thanks for watching.